Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to download Asana in desktop. So let's get started. To download Asana, open your web browser and then search for Asana. After that, click on Download the Asana app. It will open a new window. Now click Download. Asana have two options. Choose one. After clicking on Download, Asana will start downloading. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.